Hello friends, here are short answers questions in the form of MCQ on light chapter, refraction of light, laws of refraction, principle of reversibility, refraction through parallel slab. These questions for NEET exam and senior secondary examination like intermediate or and CBSE 12th class session ending examinations. Children, go through these topics and check your concept by answering the questions given in the form of MCQ. Let's start and subscribe my channel which is shown here.
It's helpful to break down the concept of refraction of light into its key components. Here's a summary of the concepts you mentioned. Refraction of light. Refraction is the bending of light as it passes from one transparent medium to another. This bending occurs because the speed of light changes as it moves from one medium to another. For example, light bends when it travels from air into water or from glass into air. Laws of refraction. There are two primary laws of refraction. First law, the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal, a line perpendicular to the surface, at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. Second law, Snell's law, the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence, I, to the sine of the angle of refraction, R, is a constant for a given pair of media. This constant is known as the refractive index, and mathematically, it's expressed as sine I by sine R equals N. Principle of reversibility of light. This principle states that if the direction of a light ray is reversed, it will follow the same path it took in the original direction. In the context of refraction, this means that if light travels from medium A to medium B and is refracted, then if it travels from medium B to medium A at the same angle, it will follow the exact reverse path. Refraction through a parallel slab. When light passes through a parallel-sided slab, like a glass block, it undergoes refraction twice, once when entering the slab and again when exiting. The key observations are, the emergent ray, the ray that exits the slab, is parallel to the incident ray. There is a lateral displacement of the emergent ray, meaning it is shifted sideways from the original path of the incident ray. The amount of lateral displacement depends on the thickness of the slab, the angle of incidence, and the refractive index of the slab. I hope this helps.
Let us see.
Certainly. Here are 12 multiple choice questions, MCQs, related to the refraction of light, along with their answers. MCQs. 1. What is the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another called? A. Reflection. B. Diffraction. C. Refraction. D. Interference. Answer. C. Refraction. 2. Which law describes the relationship between the angle of incidence and the angle of refraction? A. Newton's law. B. Snell's law. C. Coulomb's law. D. Ohm's law. Answer. B. Snell's law. 3. When light travels from air into glass, it bends. A. Away from the normal. B. Towards the normal. C. Parallel to the normal. D. Not at all. Answer. B. Towards the normal. 4. The refractive index of a medium is the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence to the sine of the angle of A. Reflection. B. Diffraction. C. Refraction. D. Interference. Answer. C. Refraction. 5. What happens to the frequency of light when it refracts? A. It increases. B. It decreases. C. It remains constant. D. It becomes zero. Answer. C. It remains constant. 6. When light passes through a parallel-sided glass slab, the emergent ray is A. Perpendicular to the incident ray. B. Parallel to the incident ray. C. Deviated at a random angle. D. Reflected back. Answer. B. Parallel to the incident ray. 7. The principle of reversibility of light states that A. Light always travels in a straight line. B. The path of light can be reversed. C. Light can be created and destroyed. D. Light can only travel in one direction. Answer. B. The path of light can be reversed. 8. Which of the following properties of light changes during refraction? A. Frequency. B. Wavelength. C. Color. D. Speed in a vacuum. Answer. B. Wavelength. 9. If the refractive index of a medium increases, the speed of light in that medium, A, increases. B. Decreases. C. Remains constant. D. becomes infinite? Answer B, decreases. 10. In a refraction scenario, the incident ray, the refracted ray, and the normal all lie in the same A, volume B, plane C, sphere D, cube. Answer B, plane. 11. What causes the lateral displacement of light passing through a parallel-sided slab? A, reflection. B, diffraction. C, successive refraction. D, interference. Answer C, successive refraction. 12. When light travels from a denser medium to a rarer medium, it bends A, towards the normal B, away from the normal C. It does not bend D along the normal. Answer B, away from the normal.
If the content is good for you, please subscribe my channel. आपको ये चैनल अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब करिए. Thank you.